Onpassive is an AI-driven company that has gained attention for its innovative approach to leveraging artificial intelligence in various business processes. As an AI-native company, Onpassive focuses on integrating AI into its core operations, enabling rapid growth and the ability to adapt to different business styles. Below, we'll explore how Onpassive and similar AI-native companies achieve rapid growth and how they differentiate themselves through unique business styles. 1. Rapid growth of AI-native companies. AI-native companies like Onpassive have several advantages that contribute to their rapid growth. AI automation at scale. AI-native companies leverage automation to streamline operations, reduce costs, and increase efficiency. By automating repetitive tasks such as customer service, data analysis, marketing, and even product development, these companies can scale quickly without the need for proportional increases in human resources. Example, Onpassive uses AI-powered chatbots and automated marketing tools to engage with customers 24/7, allowing them to handle large volumes of inquiries and leads without manual intervention. B. Data-driven decision-making. AI-native companies rely heavily on data analytics to make informed decisions. Machine learning algorithms can process vast amounts of data to identify trends, predict outcomes, and optimize strategies. This allows companies to be more agile and responsive to market changes. Example, Onpassive's AI tools can analyze customer behavior and preferences to tailor marketing campaigns, ensuring higher conversion rates and customer satisfaction. C. Personalization and customer engagement. AI enables hyper-personalization, which is key to engaging customers and building loyalty. AI-native companies can offer personalized recommendations, content, and services based on individual user data. Example, Onpassive's AI-driven platforms can create personalized experiences for users, whether it's through targeted email campaigns or customized product offerings. D. Global reach with minimal infrastructure. AI-native companies can operate globally with minimal physical infrastructure. Cloud-based AI systems allow these companies to serve customers worldwide without the need for extensive brick-and-mortar operations. Example, Onpassive's digital-first approach allows it to offer its services to clients across the globe, from small businesses to large enterprises. Conclusion: AI-native companies like Onpassive are at the forefront of a technological revolution, leveraging AI to drive rapid growth and adapt to different business styles. Whether through automation, data-driven decision-making, or personalized customer experiences, these companies are redefining how businesses operate in the digital age. However, they must also navigate challenges such as ethical concerns, talent acquisition, and regulatory compliance to sustain their growth and remain competitive in an increasingly crowded market.